Welcome, beautiful soul. Today we're going to embark on a journey of inner peace and healing, releasing anxiety and inviting calm into our mind, body, and spirit. Find a comfortable seated position, or if you prefer, you can lie down. Take a moment to close your eyes and feel your body settle into the space you're in. Let go of any tension and bring your awareness into this present moment. Remember, this is a sacred space for healing. Let's begin by focusing on the breath. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and hold for a moment. And then slowly exhale through your mouth. Imagine that you are releasing all the stress and tension with each out breath. Now let's continue with a pattern of gentle breathing. Breathe in for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now continue at your own pace, letting each breath ground you deeper into the present moment. With each exhale, feel your body letting go of any anxiety, stress, or worry. Know that within each breath, you are inviting peace and calm into your being. Now let's gently bring awareness to your body. Starting at the top of your head, notice any areas of tension, and as you exhale, imagine the tension melting away. Bring your awareness to your forehead, your temples, and your jaw. Allow your face to soften. Move down into into your neck and shoulders. Breathe into this area, and with each breath out, feel the weight of the world being lifted off of your shoulders. Now, bring your focus to your chest, feeling your heart beating steadily. Let your heart be a reminder that you are safe in this moment. Move down to your belly, your hips, your thighs, knees, and down to your feet. With each breath, let any remaining anxiety release from your body, moving down through your legs and out through the soles of your feet, grounding you deeply into the earth. Feel the earth's energy rise up to meet you, anchoring you in safety, stability, and peace. You are held, supported, and deeply grounded. Now, let's visualize a safe, peaceful place, a sanctuary just for you. This could be a beach, a forest, a quiet room, or a mountaintop. Imagine yourself sitting in this peaceful place. Feel the breeze, smell the fresh air, and hear the soothing sounds of nature or silence. As you sit here, notice a warm, golden light above your head. This light is the energy of unconditional love and healing. See it gently begin to flow down, entering the top of your head, filling your entire body with warmth, calm, and peace. This golden light flows down into your face, neck, shoulders, and chest, into your belly, hips, flows into every part of you, dissolving anxiety, fear, and stress. Take a moment to breathe into this light, allowing it to fill you up completely. Know that this light is always available to you, and it is a part of you. Anxiety cannot exist in this space of unconditional love and healing. Now, silently or out loud, repeat the following affirmations after me. I am safe in this moment. I release all worry and embrace peace. My mind and body are calm and at ease. I trust in the flow of life. I am grounded, centered, and protected. Peace and calm are my natural state. Feel these words resonate in your being, creating a deep sense of calm and healing within. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body, noticing the rise and fall of your breath, the weight of your body against the ground, and the sensations around you. As we come to the end of this meditation, know that the peace you've cultivated here is always with you. Whenever anxiety arises, you can return to your breath, your inner light, and your sanctuary to find calm. Take a deep breath in And a slow breath out. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing this sense of calm and healing with you into the rest of your